This is my fight.
My talent.
My battle.
My time. I am
A game changer.
What does it take to be a game changer? It's about finding strength and motivation, even when you don't have the support. Defying all odds to make my dream a reality.
What does it take to be a game changer? Having a vision, not giving excuses, and fighting for it. That's a game changer.
What does it take to be a game changer? Challenging the norm and pushing boundaries with my work. I embrace the change, because if you're not moving and growing, then you're dying.